Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video, we will discuss and analyze deeply the mock result that got published today for the round one. And actually, there are many colleges in Karnataka, and candidates do not have idea which college is on what rank. So we will analyze the last year mock-up result and last year round one result, the final actual result. So based on the analysis, we will come to know which college stands where and how you need to do the choice filling. Okay, so actually totally we have 29 private medical colleges in Karnataka, and some of the private medical colleges are as good as government, and some of them are better than some of government colleges as well. That's why Karnataka is a state where people are so much attractive, candidates so much attracted to get admission into colleges. Last year, Karnataka had received 1,40,000 applications, and this year they have received 1,80,000 applications. So you can see there is a increment of 40,000 in number of candidates who are interested for Karnataka private medical college, and it will keep on increasing as people get more aware about the Karnataka private medical colleges. Okay, so we can expect that the cutoff would be higher compared to last year, and mock result will give you just an idea. You can see on the screen the college name in the second column, the place location where the college is located, the mock cutoff for open category. We are going to discuss the cutoff for open category, and after the result gets announced, we will create one more video where we will be discussing the actual result and cutoff for government quota and other category for the domicile candidate. But this video is confined only for open category because we have received so many calls from candidates belonging to other states and who are interested for Karnataka private medical colleges. Okay, so and in the third column you can see the cutoff marks is in terms of marks, not in the terms of rank. And fifth column you can see the fourth one is for 2019 round 1 mock allotment rank, all India rank, and the last column is 2019 round 1 actual result rank. So you can compare the last year mock result and actual result. So based on comparison you can get an idea how the actual result is going to be, where the shift will go for what college. Okay, so let's get started. If you see the four Sant John Medical College is best private medical college in Karnataka, and this college is better than some of government colleges. So that's why you can see mock result shows it will close on to 628 marks. Below 628 marks, many candidates would have got government colleges through state counseling and all India. You can see the mock, as per the mock allotment result, it closed on 6,581, and in the actual result the cutoff was even higher. Okay, so you can see the quality of the college, and most of the candidates in medical field, they know about St. Joseph's Medical College, and they are very much aware they should place it on the first rank. I have not arranged all the colleges based on their ranking. Okay, for the ranking we can call us. You have the number given on the top 7047542127, and the second number 93191286 and 77. So you can call on this number. We will tell you the priority in which order you should do the choice filling, so that you can get the best possible college based on your marks and rank. Okay, but in this particular video we are just going to discuss college wise how is the college, and how the shift is going to be in actual result for round 1. If you see the BR Ambedkar Medical College is a very old medical college located in Bangalore. uh, as per the mock result, it will close on 601. If you see the last year, there is no much deviation in the mock allotment and actual allotment. If there is no much deviation between mock allotment and actual allotment for any round for Karnataka, you see that the college is very good, and people, candidates do understand the importance of that college, and they are very much aware about it. We see when we get the calls from candidate, we see usually that candidates are very much very much attractive towards the colleges based on the location. If the college is in Bangalore, they pick it and put it on the top rank. It's not so. There are very good colleges in Bangalore like St. John's Medical College, B.R. Ambedkar, Kempegoda, Ramaiah. Ramaiah, one of the top colleges that I would put on the second rank, MVJ Vaidehi. But there are other medical colleges in Bangalore city which is not as good as other colleges in Karnataka. So you can't order colleges in Karnataka based on their location. There are colleges in Davangere, JJ Medical College, and SS Medical College. Those two colleges are better than some of private medical colleges in Bangalore. So that's why we see deviation between mock result and actual result, because in the mock result candidates do mistake and they put based on the location. If any college is in Bangalore, they put on top, and then they follow other colleges and they put it in lower rank in the choice filling. So that's kind of mistake. That's why there is deviation in mock result and actual allotment. So definitely you can go ahead and do the reshuffling in the choice filling. That's why the purpose of giving mock allotment, so that you can correct your order, because the number of colleges is very high, and candidates coming from other state may not know about all the colleges, but we know, and you can call us, you can get the information. Okay, so if you see about MS Ramaiah, last year as per the mock allotment, it was closed on 11,567, and on the same rank it got closed. So that's the quality of good college. People know about it. MBJ Medical College is also good college in Bangalore. It got closed on 14,937, and in the actual allotment it got closed on higher rank because it come from Bangalore. Vaidehi Institute of Medical College, very good college in Bangalore, it got closed on 10,227, and actually there is a difference of 4,000 rank. So the difference of 4,000 rank is because there is a negative shift. On higher rank they got in actual allotment, because uh, the candidates got aware about the quality of colleges, and they reshuffled it after mock result got published. Okay, AJ Institute of Medical Science and Research Institute. So I'm not going to read out each and everything. I will point out for some of the private medical colleges here, like you see Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science, row number 17th. It's located in Bangalore. Okay, you can see the mock result shows that it got closed on 8,370, and actually it got closed on 14,552 rank. So you can see the difference of 6,000. That's a huge gap. Okay, why is huge gap? The candidate made mistake the first time when they did the choice filling. Before the mock result got published, they put it on top, since it comes from it is in Bangalore, but it is not that good college. It's good college, but it's not that good college where you can compare it with other good colleges like 8,370. You can compare it with. It's not better than B.R. Ambedkar and MS Ramaiah, but as per the mock result, you can see it got closed before MS Ramaiah. 8,370 is before. MS Ramaiah closing rank was 11,567, but that was a mistake. And after mock result got announced, and with the suggestion of counselors, candidates corrected it, and actual result you can see there is deviation, that is negative shift. So negative shift happens only when candidates get more aware about the college, and they do the reshuffling of choice filling, and then only the negative shift happens. You can see same thing happening with BGS Global. BGS Global is also in Bangalore. That's why in the before the mock result got announced, they put it on top, and after looking at mock result, they correct or they do reshuffle, and there is negative shift. So with this video, I just want to give you an idea. East Point Medical College, row number 22, is also in Bangalore. So you can see some of the colleges in Bangalore which is not as good as, because I will tell you, some of colleges in Bangalore, there are better colleges in Karnataka which is not in Bangalore. There are colleges which is not in Bangalore, but they are better than some of the colleges in Bangalore, like JJM, SS, and you can see uh, Father Muller, Father Muller, Mangalore. So after Bangalore, as per the location, people would prefer Mangalore because it's a good locality and the airport is very near. So that's why you can see for colleges located in Mangalore, you can see about Father Muller, the closing rank was 14,617 and actual result was 14,745. There is no shift, it's more or less same. So for good colleges, there won't be negative shift. So that's idea you can get from this video. You can see about Davangiri, SS Davangiri. Okay, that is also negative shift because people just know about a college in Davangiri, that is about JJM. It's one of the top colleges that you should choose before some of the medical colleges in Bangalore. So you need to plan about your choice filling, in what order you should put the colleges so that you can get the best colleges. And there are different perspective, different aspects. Based on that, you can decide which one you want to put on the top. If your location is only aspect and you want to go over on that aspect, you go by location. First you put Bangalore, then Mangalore. But you are really bothered about the quality of college along with the location, then you definitely have to go with quality of college. And for that you need to reshuffle your choices. That's why they publish mock result. And this video will give you idea how you should do the choice filling. Still, if you have any kind of confusion, you can call us to the number given in the description or on the screen. You can see for Adi Chunchandgiri. Okay, Adi Chunchandgiri is a college where the fee is high. They think is very good college. It's good college, but you can say a negative shift. For SDM, you can see negative shift as per the last year mock result and actual result. For Khaja Bande Nawaz, you can see negative shift because some people do mistake and later they realize, because the fee for these colleges, Khaja Bande Nawaz, SDM Gulbarga, Adi Chunchandgiri, and Dr. Chandrama, for these four colleges is very high compared to other colleges in Karnataka. It will be ranging from 16 to 20 lakhs per annum. That's huge compared to other colleges where the fee is 9 lakhs 80,000 something. Okay, so you need to keep all these things in mind. Okay, if the college comes from Bangalore and Mangalore, that's not it. You need to see the quality of the college, because later point of time when you go there, reach college, then you realize you have done a mistake, you could have got better college. So that's the key of counseling. Okay, so do some groundwork here, talk to counselors, get their suggestion in what order you should do the choice filling, so that you should get the college. You should just not get the college, but get the best possible college in your rank. And then you go there. In Karnataka, I would tell you, in Bangalore and Mangalore, you won't find any kind of language issue or food issue, because it's more like any other state where any person is comfortable to stay there and have a good life. But there are a few places where you may face language issue, so you need to keep that also in mind. Navodaya Raichur, you can see it's negative shift because the college is not that good, and they put top above other colleges. Okay, so that's the analysis. Let me summarize. The analysis is the mock result gets published for the candidates to know which college stands where, and what is expectation out of your choice filling, uh, which what is the possibility to get particular college in your rank. If you are getting college, that is not the final result. The final result will get published in couple of days, and then you can see the result. Other important point that you can figure out from mock result, that you get to know about how you need to do the choice filling, how you need to do reshuffling. If you don't have proper knowledge about all the colleges, then mock result will give you some idea about it. If you want complete idea, into consult experts. The third point you need to have in mind, don't just go by college location. If it's Bangalore, put it on top Bangalore, put it below Bangalore. It should not be the sequence. You should go by college quality, and that's what the mock result tells. So I have done analysis from my side. If you have any question unanswered, then you can ring me on the number given on the top of the screen. You can find some other numbers in description also. And if you like the content of the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we will keep you posting all the relevant updates for Karnataka and other states. Okay, so thanks for watching and goodbye.